Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is all about this fake SIM card that unlocks TV channels. Let's start. You can see that this fake gadget with copper wire soldered directly on the SIM card unlocks TV channels. Nope. Okay, on YouTube there is a lot of fake videos about SIM card that unlocks worldwide TV channels. Also is an antenna TV booster, and this video got 2.2 million views and it's uploaded 3 weeks ago. And this guy is showing how you can make a SIM card antenna TV booster. Let's watch the video together. The first thing that this guy is doing is soldering the coax cable to the SIM card. Next, he is using a soda can bottom piece for making the miniature antenna, and from solid copper wire he makes some kind of wire loops. And not to forget that he is using a USB cable directly soldering on the SIM card that will power up and boost the signal that need to be received for the TV. The whole video is 10 minutes long of making confusing project just to get watch time. This is the most fake video I have ever seen, and I can't believe that this guy make fake projects that apparently they work. And when you go to the channel, you wanna see that he is making a garbage. A lot of fake videos. He is using a magnet how to use for antenna. He is using a PC fan how to receive the TV signals. A lot of fake videos. I can't believe it that so many viewers on YouTube are watching this. Don't believe in this and don't watch this guy. First, to explain, SIM cards are small chips used in mobile phones for cellular communication. They are designed to connect the mobile networks, not for TV signals. Their function is entirely unrelated to TV broadcasting technology. So this one is a big fake. So if you want to make a TV antenna, you can check my video. I will link in description below. And to receive TV channels, you need to make a TV antenna or cable or satellite connection. These devices are specially designed to capture and decode TV signals. A SIM card has no such capability. It's like trying to use a spoon as a screwdriver. It just won't work. And for the end of this video, one more time to say I'm disappointed from guys like this one that he's make fake videos just for views and money.